Hey, it's Rob from the Big Green Egg. Look, I'm ready to do some work today. We're going to show you today something very new, the fire bowl. And the fire bowl comes in all sizes except for the mini. So we have the 2XL, which comes with a divider that you can put in the middle right here. So you can do direct on one side and direct on the other. It also makes it convenient if you're doing a smaller cook and you don't have to fill the whole bin up with charcoal. You can fill up one side and do your cook that way. We also have it for the XL, and I'm going to show you on one of our culinary center work horses here. I'm going to just take out the grid, and I'm going to show you that you can easily take this out on a cold egg and then dump your ash, as you can see, dump your ash into the garbage and then set it back in. And what's great about this, you don't need the cast iron fire grate in the bottom any longer. You can just use the new fire bowl, which has got some great handles to take it in and out. It's also made of 304 stainless steel, and not only for the 2XL and the XL, which both come with the divider, you also have it for the large, the medium, and of course everybody's favorite tailgating tool, the Mini Max. You can find all these great products online at biggreenegg.com.